Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button.
Get that paper out of there, please. See that piece of paper? Yeah. Toss.
1 year later, maybe it's been more than a year. Anyway, we're still shoveling these free wood chips. What had happened was we received a free delivery, and maybe a week or 2 weeks later, the company reached out to us asking if we would like another delivery, and of course we took it because it was free. My son is doing the shoveling and handing me the buckets. I use the wood chips to create walkways in my garden.
Okay, stop shoveling, and I'll throw this over when I'm done.
I'm a small space gardener. I'm growing in Maryland Zone 7B, just outside of Washington, D.C. If you're new here, I grow in a corner space in my suburban backyard.
Tomato plants, mint, tomato plants, tomato, mint, peppers, tomatoes. The walkways are looking good. Everything's filled in with fresh mulch. Looking good. Just been out here working. Got some extra mulch in here in case I need it for something. Added some mulch around my tomato plants and my pepper plant over here. Yeah, that's my garden garbage bowl. So when I'm cleaning my plants and removing old tattered leaves, I place them here to go into compost bin or to yard waste, depending on what it is. This bed isn't filled as much with things because I'm preparing this bed for the fall, because before we know it, we're going to be dropping seeds and ready to grow those brassicas. Last year I made the mistake of filling all of my garden beds, all of my grow bags, all of my pots and pans with summer crops. So when it came time to plant out my fall crops, I didn't have space. I didn't want to move anything out of the summer garden because so many things were still producing. And so I was definitely in a bind, and I said I wasn't going to do that this year. I'm going to leave just a little space here and there to tuck in some other things. So this is why the middle bed looks the way it does. Everything else is super full. This one's a little sparse. But I kept looking at it and how empty it looks. I know that I have kitchen scraps buried underneath the soil here because I'm adding amendments and nutrients to the soil so that the plants will be ready to take up all of that goodness. So then I thought, well, I can add a few flowers just to at least make it look a little prettier, because I do like pretty. I use this bowl to collect rainwater. So this is my early June garden. I'm going to be coming back out here probably in the next day or two, and I'll be picking these beans, so you guys will be coming along with me for that. These are the beans. I've just done so much today, I can't do another thing. I am super tired. It is Friday afternoon, evening-ish now, and so I've got a lot done today. And yeah, this is the June garden, coming along nicely, looking full and green, unlike the winter garden. It just looks alive again, and that breeze feels amazing. I am guilty as charged. Sometimes I need to just sit down, relax, relate, and release, enjoy the works of my hands. Thank God that I'm able to do this. Thank Him for His bountiful harvest. Thank Him for the seeds to be able to plant, to grow food. Thank Him for all of this. Child, if you don't just sit down and enjoy some of this, is what I have to tell myself. Work, 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 work. So that is what I'm sitting here doing. Taking a break, sipping on some water. I'm thanking God for my son. He helped me. He complained just a little bit. How much more? When are we going to be done? And I'm enjoying this garden. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. Bye-bye.
If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.